Sneaking onto the beach.
We're right here by the seas. We're all gonna go scarpering.
Here on the third day of bikepacking. Where are we? Waxham?
Wrexham, yeah, we're about 15 miles outside of Great Yarmouth, so Norfolk coast. We've just run into some grey seals or fur seals, I don't know, massive seals down on the beach further up.
Lots of them.
Yeah.
Nice thing to wake up to.
Yeah, it has been really nice. Sun's out, nice sunny day up there. See in the background, ooh, looking very good. So yeah, 15 miles left to do today.
Yeah, very sore. It's going to be hard today.
Yeah.
But yeah, need to get packed up and get on our way quite soon.
Breakfast and coffee on the way, definitely. Oh, I don't want to get wet. It's been good so far. Nice to end it on a high note with some extra wildlife, seeing the seals, and finishing at the beach.
Yeah.
Need a Mr. Whippy on the way home though. Nice.
Yeah. Where's the ice cream?
Need an ice cream man. Ice cream man! As you can see, just over there, we've got a little friend who wants to be in the videos.
Photo bomber.
So yeah, one of the many seals we've seen this morning, which is pretty cool. So we just thought we'd add this in as well. No battery. Must be a sign. Time to get back to the tent to start packing up.
Feeding the birds with our last night's takeaway. And this is mine. Cold pizza. Yummy. We're ready to go.
The GoPro had a little bit of an accident last night, so we've lost the power of handlebars, but you do have me to do this. And you're gonna love seeing Susie's face down there. Somebody's ass is very, very sore. So Good times. We're on our way home, some lambs out there. One mile down of day one. Susie's butt has warmed up a bit. She's over there. So she just said she can do another 20 miles. All right, okay, we'll see. We have arrived in Great Yarmouth. Woo-hoo! Yay! And there's some donkeys over there. Love a donkey. Jellicoe Avenue there. Went to primary school in Jellicoe Avenue. How's little Suze doing? Ah! Oh, by the way, we're on our way to the seafront now. Again, no seals here though. Tired Susie over here. Susie, we've arrived in Great Yarmouth.
Yes, we have, Ryan.
And it's
and we tried to stop and get an ice cream, but it wasn't the right type of ice cream.
Listen up,
Ryan, so we have to go and find a suitable ice cream stand that does, what is it?
Mr. Whippy.
Mr. Whippy.
I've ridden 70 bloody miles. I want good ice cream, not Walls crap.
Not even real ice cream.
Oh, it is. It is. I want the good shit. getting to the good part of town. There's the pier, some rides in the distance. Oh yeah. Are you excited, Susie?
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Whippy.
Thank you. Yay! Stopped at the beach for an ice cream. Ryan's got his Mr. Whippy. You're happy now, are you? Okay. Nice cold beer.
Oh yeah.
We've made it to the end, waiting for the train. And there are some nice drinkies.
And Princess Tea Rooms.
Yeah, this is the the umbrella. And they also do milkshakes with brandy and slush puppies with vodka, so I might have to have one of those next. Amazing. Ryan's asleep already.